Tresnasari. I'm from class 10 AKL2. I am delighted to be here today to talk about a topic that is critical in our lives. Which is success? Success is something that almost everyone dreams of, but not everyone can achieve it. What exactly is success and how can we attain it? Success is not merely about having a lot of money, high position, or luxury of possession. True success goes deeper than that. It is about reaching our peak potential, achieving the goals we set, and finding contentment in our accomplishment. First and foremost, to achieve success, we need to find what we truly love, what motivates us to wake up every morning and work hard. Is it a career in the arts, science, education, or business? When we pursue what we love, hard work no longer feels like a burden, but rather a pleasure. Secondly, every success requires a clear plan and goals. Without a clear direction, we will only spin in circles without achieving something significant. Set specific short-term and long-term goals, measure our progress regularly, and stay focused on our vision. 3D, keep learning and growing. The world is constantly changing, and we need to adapt to those changes. Do not be afraid to try new things and step out of our comfort zone. Be a lifelong student and continuously improve our learning and skill. Fourth, remember that failure is part of the journey to success. Many successful people have faced significant failures before reaching the peak of their success. Do not give up when faced with difficulties. Take it as a valuable lesson to grow and become better. Fourth, remember that failure is part of the journey to success. Many successful people have faced significant failures before reaching the peak of their success. Do not give up when faced with difficulties. Take it a valuable lesson to grow and become better. Fifth, stay persistent and consistent in our efforts. Do not easily give up.